Oh, bonjour, comment ça va? Bonjour étudiants. Today we're going to study the lesson 2 of foreign language French. We have been studying the lesson 0 and lesson 1 from last 2 videos now, and we have found that there are a lot of basic things that we have in French in regards to pronunciation. Now, what exactly makes the pronunciation? Of course, the combination of vowel sound and consonant sounds. Now, this is exactly what we are going to study today. The name of the chapter is Comptons Ensemble. Comptons Ensemble. That simply means let us count together. Oh, why it is saying let us count together? Because yes, we're going to have the counting as well in this particular chapter. Moving forward, if I just scroll down and show you Comptons Ensemble, that's how you pronounce it, okay? We have the pair of alphabets here. In English and in French, we have the same number of alphabets starting from A ending to Z. But the pronunciations are little different. I'll tell you what are they. In French, it is A, B, C, D, U, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, and then moving forward we have S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I'd like you all to please rewind it in case if you have missed any of the sounds. The combination is such that you can go ahead and rewind and practice this on daily basis. You can even practice with a pair of 1 and pair of 2. What I mean to say here is, let's say for example you're saying A, B, C, D. Then you can practice with a pair of 2 called as A, B, C, D. And the same way you can practice A, B, C, D, C, D, E. And that is how you're going to improve your accent. Moving forward, in French we do have accents like the matras in Hindi or the pronunciation rules in English. So let's see what the accent has to say. If you see a rising sign on E, this is usually found on the alphabet E. This E changes to A. I'll repeat. This E changes to A. So it is not BB, it's bebe. Okay? It is called as accent aigu. So when it is flying like this on top of E, then it is accent aigu. On the other hand, if it flies like this, right? Like this one here, mer means mother. Mer, it's not mere, it's mer. That's how we differentiate between these two accents. Moving on to the next page out here, I'm going to show you some more accent here, which will give you more idea about how things work in foreign language French. Moving on to accent signoflex. Accent signoflex is a basically hut kind of accent, which you usually find in O, E, I, O, U, or you can say A, E, I, O, U. This never changes the meaning of the alphabet, nor changes the sound rule. It remains the same. It is basically a sort of S, which is replaced by a hut sign. There are a lot of examples like Boit, B-O-I-T-E. You have the accent on I. So we just spelled a little low, Boit. Boit, that makes it a little low. Accent Sidil, the one that makes Ka, C, which is Ka, as Sa. Because if you see, there is a little other side round C that we have attached to the C. That is what makes it accent Sidil. Accent Trema. Now where do you find it? Let's say if you have two vowel sound, N-O-E-L, you can refer to all the notes that I've sent you. N-O-E-L, Noel. Noel means Christmas. So in this particular case, the first is vowel sound O, second is vowel sound E. So this sign will always come on E, or the second vowel sound you can say. Now what is the difference between this? So the first vowel sound that we have will be pronounced a little higher, no, and the other one, L, Noel. Okay, that's how we have pronunciation rule in foreign language French. This is just a basic exercise, listening exercise that we're going to do once you guys come to me in your classrooms. Moving ahead, then we have the other way around. We're going to understand the subjects in French, which is called as sujet. Like we have subjects in English, I, you, he, she, we, you all, they. In the same way, we do have subjects in French as well. Now, what are these subjects? These subjects are basically used to define an action of a noun. Okay, these are basically I go, you go, I sleep, you sleep, I eat, you eat, I drink, you drink, I speak, you speak. In the same way, we have I, you, he, she, we, you, all, they. Now, what it is called as, I'll show you. So it says, let us learn subject pronouns. La Reine de Niche. So it's going to tell you about all the format of subject pronouns. First one is I. I in French is called as je. Okay, je. You is called as tu. Je, tu. Je, tu. Then he. If I have to say he, right? The man, he. We say il. I repeat, il. So je, tu, il, the he. And feminine, she. Je, tu, il, the male, and elle. Little pronunciation difference. Il, elle. And then we talk about we. When we say we say nous. That will come on next page, you see. So when we talk about we, it says nous. So I'll show you that. You see, we. It can be used for human being and animals as well. We, nous. It is written N-O-U-S, but the S, the last consonant sound is not pronounced. Remember, in French, the last consonant sound is not pronounced. So it is nous. And then we have you all, the respective form, by the way. You all, okay? For you all, you say vous, which starts with the letter V. Vous. Nous is we. Vous is you all. And then we have plural, the boys plural, let's say. For the animal plural or for the male plural, we say ils, I-L-S, ils. And for feminine, we say elles, E-L-L-E-S. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, ils, elles. Singular. Je, tu, il, elle. Plural. Nous, vous, ils, elles. Moving on to the next one. Now let's say the chapter name was Quantum's Ensemble. Let's count us together. So here we're going to study the numbers of French. Just like English numbers, or you can say the mathematics numbers, the French also has got the same number. Some of the pronunciation would surely meet or match the English pronunciation. So focus on that. One in French is called as un, U-N, but it's pronounced as un. Two is called as deux, D-E-U-X. X is not pronounced, so deux. Three is called as trois, T-H-R-O-I. I'll show you just a moment. Here, trois. Here, T-R-O-I-S, trois. S is not pronounced. Four is quatre, Q-U-A-T-R-E, quatre. Five is cinq, C-I-N-Q. I'll show you out here. You see that? Cinq, okay? Six is same, just like English. Sept means seven. S-E-P-T. Sept. Okay. Huit is eight. H-U-I-T. Huit. Okay. Then comes the nine. Okay, where's the number nine? Where's the number nine? Number nine, I'm looking for you. Here. Nine is neuf. N-E-U-F. Neuf. And 10 is dix. It is also called as D because the last consonant sound is X. So I'll repeat. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit. I repeat. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, sept, huit, neuf, dix. Now what we call as 11, 12. 11 is called as onze. O-N-Z-E, ons. 12 is called as douze. D-O-U-Z-E. 13 is called as treize. T-R-E-I-Z-E, treize. 14 is called as quatorze. 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 Q-U-A-T-O-R-Z-E. 15 is called as quinze. Q-U-I-N-Z-E. And 16 is called as seize. S-E-I-Z-E. I'll also show you some more of them when we move ahead further on this particular chapter. Let's move ahead and see what do we have in the next page. Oh yes, here we go. We do have the counting here so that we can practice it again. So I'll just zoom it out for you so that you can see everything here. Zéro, un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix, onze, douze, treize, quatorze, quinze, six. Now comes dix-sept. Dix-sept means 10 plus 7. Dix-sept. Dix is 10, sept is 7, becomes dix-sept, 17. Dix-huit, 10 plus 8, 18. Dix-huit. Dix-neuf, 10 plus 9. And the last one is vingt. Vingt means 20. And after 20, you continue with the same counting, that is from 1 to 20. Okay? Now next comes to the vocabulary. I'll just give you a quick pronunciation of that so that you guys should be familiar of that. So des boys means woods. Un ballon means ball. Des fraises means cherries. Chanter is to sing, that's a verb, okay? Chantons, let us sing, okay? Un chapeau, hat, all right? Une chaise, in class, I'm sorry, it says classroom, I'll come this side for you, okay? Then comes compter, compter is to count. Then comes comptons, comptons is let us count, the one that I told you in the very starting, okay? Comptons ensemble, let us count together, that's the name of the chapter. Silhouette, to pluck, all right? There is D-A-N-S, dans is in. A disque is a disc, a CD, right? A CD that you have. Ensemble, together, okay? Un garçon, garçon, the boy. Un livre, livre means the book. Neuf means 9 or new, it has two meaning, okay? Un poignard, basket. Un paste is the post office. Un stylo is the pen. Un stylo, a pen. Un tasse is the cup from where you have coffee or tea. Un tomate, a tomato. Let's see if we have some more there. No, that is it for the day. Now we have the exercise for you. You will say dukes plus. Plus means plus. Trois. 2 plus 3 becomes 5. Égal is equal to. Plus means plus. Égal means is equal to. You add 2 and 3 becomes 5. 5 becomes 5. This is the exercise you will do. Next exercise will be something like you're going to count the balloons and write. The next one is you're going to, leave this one, the third one. Then you're going to say right and wrong. Then you're going to, fill the counting. Then you're going to match the following. Okay, further. Then we have how many owls do we have? How many crabs do we have? How many, the birds, the flea that we have. So you just have to do this exercise and make sure that you're practicing on daily basis, okay? Do refer to the notes that I'm sending you. Do refer to the vocabulary thing that I'm sending you. Do refer to the content that I'm telling you to read, because I am going with the same content. If you go step by step, rewind the video, forward the video, but learn it everything step by step. The right pronunciation for the right French, okay? Thank you so much, everybody. I'm going to see you very soon in another video of foreign language French. Au revoir.